कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता. Guys, you also sing. मेरा फलसफा कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता. Something like this. There's sofa, there's shitty, there's dining table, and there's here. And these are the steps. And this is the kitchen. Washing machine. And here's something out of the store. The dishes and all. So this is our room, guys, which is pretty much messy. This is so clumsy.
The whole thing belongs to Nisyan Mansa.
I know.
Mine, everything is in my bag.
And this is bathroom. And yeah, this whole mess is created by Manas, and she's so sleepy. It seems.
Guys, all it is
Oh, these people here. Let's go! Guys, there's Praharsha. I'm going I came off her. Which room should I go first? They're sleeping. The whole room. And there's have a light, you can get ready nicely. And there's a girl behind curtain. And this is the bathroom. She's combing hair. Okay, I won't show her. And next room, you show the next room. Chal.
seating area.
Seating area, and that is the balcony.
So guys,
And
this is 3 BHK bedroom.
this is 3 BHK bedroom.
So here they are eating some chakori.
Yeah, they are eating some chakodi gawal.
This girl always eating.
Yeah. So yeah, this is one more room. And then this is a mirror. This mirror is my favorite thing. They kept all these clothes here. And that's it. That is our villa. And I'm going down to clean our room. So yeah, bye. Thank you, Praharsha, for showing us. Bye bye. Time is currently 5:30 and we all are going right now. Oh, hello. And now we are going. Thank you, uncle.
Bye.
Let's go to station. Just know the station. Let's go. Now we reached the station and now we are waiting for the train to come. Platform number 5 or 6 at some, so we are waiting for that. Let's see what happens and see these people out there. That is our train, guys, this particular one. Out of tunnel. We reached Bora Caves. We lived in Araku and we came to this hotel. I don't know what is this hotel name. And we are going to have Pongula biryani. We are going to have bamboo biryani. So let's go. What it is like? Amravati itself. So yeah, we are having. We got this. It's like a small fast food center. Bamboo chicken biryani. Let's go. Wow! Look at the smoke. Yeah. Eating. Let's go. Now we are going to try bamboo chicken biryani. Wait now. Okay, I'll eat it. Bro, it is so hard. For real, huh? Nothing special, exactly. Shruti, how is Bongla biryani?
Good.
It's good.
But it's hard.
కొంచెం ముందుకురా కొంచెం ఘాటు అంటే
Spicy.
ఓకే నో ఇట్స్ నాట్ స్పైసీ. ఆశిత వర్షిని ఎట్లుంది? పన్నీర్ ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్
So good.
వెజిటేరియన్ రైస్.
Don't eat rice. It was so good.
గుడ్డు హౌ వాజ్ ద రైస్? పన్నీర్
Nice. Guys, తొందరగా నడవండి అయిపోయింది అందరూ. How they are sitting here.
we have different stalls. Oh, you're looking good. many things right here. They're so freaking pretty. I'm going to take for my mommy. Yeah, liking this. Yes. Let's go Bora Cave. So many monkeys, guys. We are going inside Bora Cave. Yeah, let's go. We need to go up to the Bora Caves and we'll complete this trip till Bora Caves and we'll go to Araku Sunflower Garden. Sunflower Garden. Wish Praharsha. Look here. Where are we, guys? Guys, where are we? Bora Caves. Hey guys, ఇప్పుడు కిందకి వెళ్తున్నాం బొరా కేవ్స్ చూడడానికి. ప్రహర్షమ్మ మమ్మల్ని వదిలేసి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది గైస్. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది. Okay. Front water hai katega, so we need to be very careful. It is so cool and it's little bit watery, so be careful while coming down. Okay. Oh my god. Be careful, it's so water. Okay, mommy. When we both wore boots and came. It's overreaction, guys. Yeah, they came. They are there. Guys, look at them how they are sitting down in Bora Caves. Yeah, they cheated this. Yeah, even I wore white. So freaking wet. I want to touch. See, it's so cool. Damn. Cool like ice. And I love it here. Now we are going to go outside, get one bus or auto or something, and then go for camping. Let's go. So pretty. Wow. I'll show you from front. Look at this. Yeah. Progress. Shruti. Soil steps, guys. To reach to the destination. We are halfway to go. Let's go. Halfway to go. Pretty.
It's like Kashmir vibes.
I bought some bangles here. It's like made of glass. It was so pretty. White and the green shiny one. Sneakers, Kavya. Guys, pura shopping is going on. Kobri. So sweet. This for my mom. This small bag. And Aman also got for her mom. Chotu sa sling bag. So like,
Same, just color.
Yeah, color difference. Let's go. This Kalankari print, guys.
Yeah.
And Manasa got.
I bought this for my mom.
Yeah.
So pretty, right? It's from Pochampalli something. I don't know.
Ours is Kalankari, hers is Pochampalli.
We are going to Dalikonda viewpoint.
Look at that. Yeah. Shiti. Auntie. The view. Guys, so pretty. View is viewing. Araku coffee special. So yeah, we are going to buy now coffee. You can see here. Coffee. This is the coffee, big one. It's one so big tray. Is it 1 rupee or 50 rupees? All are drinking Araku coffee. Let's go. Come here. Cheers. Let's go. Cheers. Cheers. Coffee. Uncle, inko coffee andi.
Pedda తీసుకోవాలా? Okay. I don't drink coffee.
Cool breeze. I'm drinking hot coffee and it feels so freaking good. And look at the trees behind, bamboo trees. It feels so freaking good. And my battery is about to die, so I'm going to switch it off for now. Waterfall. What is the waterfall name? Katiki Waterfalls.
Guys,
Katiki Waterfalls.
name తెలియకుండా
వచ్చాము.
How?
Yes. Which we are wearing caps.
సార్ అక్కడ ఇంత చిన్న ఉన్నాను.
Waterfall. Yeah. Bro, it looks so good. So freaking cold right now. And look at the waterfalls on top. So we are going to go there right now. They are climbing, guys. Katika Waterfalls. Let's go. Oh, hello guys. Over there we need to go. Oh, so fucking tired, guys. Yeah. And I wore my boots today. I don't know that we need to climb this wall. What happened was we went to take when we went to take waterfall pics, we saw one incident.
Which was?
Everyone witnessed it.
Adventurous and
as well as stupidness. Stupidity. Yeah, it is stupidity, guys.
That guy who climbed that hill from the waterfall, it was like down.
We'll upload the video. Yeah, once we recorded it. Yeah. They were drunk, guys. They were drunk. And the guy climbed the whole, what do you say that? Hill.
Yeah.
Says it afterwards later, okay? Bye-bye.
Because
we'll show you them.
These men are the
they're drunk actually.
They are his
Friends were like nothing. He was risking his life and they were taking videos now.
They were
Shouting, laughing, yeah.
And the people who were up
all my friends were worried, yeah. We people were so panicked.
One uncle tried to help.
Yeah, one uncle tried to help.
Say that
That guy was like, I want Rassi. Bola to, he gave. He went and gave some shawl or something.
Yeah.
And then he pulled it up. And then he was like, yeah, bolke he was shouting.
Then we all thought he was about to slip down and
that his friends gave some task and he completed it.
Then he came up and he was laughing and he was going down.
So stupid, guys. So stupid. Don't try all these things, okay?
Yes.
So
don't risk your life.
Yeah, don't risk your life. Stupidity. To try this bamboo chicken. Let's go.
This is also heated on coal.
Okay.
It's so spicy.
That is so good.
Tangy at the same time. A sweet uncle.
He was so sweet.
Come also for us.
Okay, bye.
It's super, guys.
So good. You guys need to try it. Chicken, Aman will eat, guys. Aman will eat.
No, I won't eat chicken. You guys know that.
Just now we took chicken curry, paneer curry and fulkas, and now we are going back. Yes, going back to Jeep and Auto. So let's go. Let's go to camping, huh? Guys, we are currently going in. Kudu's mom, Precious mom, Manasa, Shriti, Aman, and me. Right here.
Santa Claus.
Yes. So freaking damn good. Get those lighting. Get those songs. We're going to change the songs after. Going to have a dinner. Let's go. Telugu songs are. They're playing Telugu songs, guys.
Telugu songs, right? Telugu songs.
We'll go and ask them to change baad mein our playlist. Have a dinner here, guys. So they're sitting there, and this is our table. Yeah, this is the whole thing. Going to be awesome. Guys, she's not eating.
I ate.
She's saying it's not original paneer.
Arey bro, I ate.
She didn't eat that. She's lying.
Huh?
She's lying.
I ate, bro. Who ate 2 chapatis? My atma.
Moms, you know. I don't know why that Pelli song because of their
Because they're celebrating their marriage
anniversary. So yeah.
They are celebrating so grandly.
We kept this campfire. Everyone is sitting on chairs right now. Campfire. 2, 3, go. Wedding, guys, wedding anniversary, and just now they cut the cake, and now yeah, they're doing something, I don't know. And we are taking this fire. Let's go. Look at this Praharsha. On top to play Jenga or whatever. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We are getting into the tent. We are sleeping in the tent. Aman, Ashita, Varshini and all slept in that, and Praharsha mom, Guddu ka mom slept in this, and me, Manasa, Vish and Harshita are sleeping in this. Let's go. Look at the droplets formed on the tent. Like it's literally so cold. It's the end of the day. Good night. This is time currently. It's 1 shortly. We need to wake up at 3 o'clock. Good night. It's currently 3:54. Brush my teeth. It's so freaking cold. You can see what rain droplets everywhere. It's so freaking. It's so freaking cold. Everyone are brushing their teeth. I'm also going to go and brush my teeth. Let's go. Just now we started with the trekking. Let's go. Everyone are walking in front. We are walking in back. Come on, fuck. Kuch bhi nahi dikh raha vegan. Guys, our hands are freaking freezing. Guys, the struggle, guys. Yeah, the struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real, exactly. So yeah, this jacket is protecting me. How's yours? Yes, slay. Mera Pura stalls, water bottles and energy drink, energy bar, chocolates. We have chocolates right here, biscuits, and yeah, let's go. And there you have coffee also. Need to reach the top. There, Pura stores. I'm so excited. Let's go. Ha ha ha! One time experience, y'all. More 2 kilometers, but it is not, guys. We already reached 1 kilometer. Yeah. हम कांटा लगा रहे मेरा चप्पल को. I don't know. I don't know. Finally we reached. Show the flag. Can you see the flag there? Finally we reached the top point. Finally they all also did it, guys. Let's go. Guys, Guddu. Guddu. We will go that side and we'll take. Guys, so pretty. Guys, look at the view. Oh my god. Wait for the view. It's blinding. Look at that freaking view. Wait, coming. Guys, we need to go and take pictures right now. So. Oh yamma. मैं तो टूट के बिखर गया. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my gosh, damn. Look at the freaking view, guys. Now we were clicking photos and still we are clicking. Oh my god, I look so sleepy, bro. Aman. Yes. Shiti. Vish Parsa. Ashita, Varshini. Look. Guys, look at the sun. Look at the freaking sun. It's there. I'll show you. Sun, guys. So pretty. I saw the sunrise. The sunrise. Mast na? The view is viewing.
Viewing, yeah.
View is actually viewing, guys. I'm so happy, guys. Hey, look at Aman, where she's sitting.
Hi, guys.
Here.
Guys, actually we're sleeping. I want to sleep here only. So nice.
Finally, Ilahi movement, guys.
Yeah.
And next we are going to do that reel only. So let's get it. Bye bye.
नींद आ रहा मेरे को.
मेरे को नहीं आ रहा. And after this, today is our travel day, guys. Back to Hyderabad. So sad. Back to reality.
Yeah,
routine.
back to reality.
So
Back to
for now,
college.
for now we are going to enjoy.
Yes.
Model poses दे रहे. Look at them. Guddu is sleeping because she's not well, guys. Harshita, she's also not well. And her wish is just sitting, guys. Guys, the drone. And they are the college people. They came, I guess. Wow. View is viewing. Manasa.
Guys, how beautiful, you know. कितना मस्त आ रहा है.
Direct Kottudings, guys. Sun slab. Sun kissed for, sun slapped for me, guys.
No, guys, sun kissed 2 times for her. Shut up.
Chomana me kama?
아니 정상.
Chonje me cho chum me ya. Chomana ko me ha chung me ya. Guys, we are doing one reel, Ilahi reel, so let's go.
You wanna hear?
नीचे छुपा के तेरे लिए दुनिया के नजरें चुरा के पीछे हुआ आई आके पधरा मैं इल्ले फिकर आजा इधर 1, 2, 3, 4, get down the dance floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, get down the booty shake, booty shake. Gonna giddy money, gimme. You are on number. Those are clouds, I guess, right?
Guys, we actually lied. We did not go for trekking. We came for heaven. It's heaven actually.
We came to see heaven.
Look at the clouds.
They're all like
So pretty.
they're
So
looking like
mist.
a cloud. Super. Show them this.
And look at this area.
Oh
my god.
Clouds misty. It's like I want to jump into that. But I'll fall down, I know.
And look at that mountain area.
Shitty also had some.
See?
Yeah, look at that lake. It's so pretty. And look at that mountain area, hill area.
It's so cute.
And they are getting down. My friends are getting down. And videographer, I'll show you.
And she's the videographer. Shruti was taking. And let's go, Shruti. Let's go down. So,
getting this is so adventurous. It's like a slide.
Hey, 30 is here, 30.
Careful, Tatya. Fuck, bro! You stand on that or what? I'm asking you. कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता, guys, you also sing. मेरा बसपा कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता, चला मैं जहाँ लेकिन मुझे रास्ता, मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी, कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ दिल की खो जाए, बेफिक्र जाए, इस तरह से चले घूमे इधर देख, वहाँ सूरज डूबा है यारो, दुख नशे के मारो नशे पूरा संसार है। I fell for freaking 2 times and hat-trick बना रहे थोड़ा, hat-trick बनाओ।
She'll fell again 3rd time for me, for my.
They both see Ashita is going. Hat-trick. Please, pad. Acting girl. Actress. Guys, look how good it's coming in here. Damn. Oh, it's like we are as if walking in the jungle.
Yeah, it's like jungle.
It's like junglies. In middle of the forest. What if tiger comes out of nowhere?
I'll say hi.
You'll say hi. Oh, I'll sit on that and ride.
No. I know you always want to ride.
Shut up. I want tiger safari.
Ride.
What do you want to ride? Tiger safari. Oh, bro, idhar mast aa raha hai. Guys, I love this view. Yeah, it is forest, guys. Actually, we are in forest. We are gunge, tappipodings. We are lost, and we are waiting for our mommies to find their lost kids.
Yeah.
We're going like that. I'm very much happy, you guys, right now, as well as, and at the same time sad. I don't know why. So yeah, both together mixed.
About the morning thing, we woke up early morning, how we were shivering.
Yeah, we were shivering like anything. Manasa was like,
I thought of giving up, guys, because it was so
she was doing like that. Yeah, and I was like, hey, you should feel that there is no thunder, matlab cold, and then you won't even feel. That depends on your mindset. And I was like, it's not good, it's not even cold, it's not even cold. But my hands are freezing, but I'm not feeling that it is cold. So that's how I get out of this thingy. So yeah, morning it was so cool.
What the hype?
Yeah, and tents ke upar those small tiny water droplets were formed, and it was good, guys. Araku, you need to visit, but come in December time. It'll be like 7 degrees or something. You'll freeze out. That's it.
You'll pass out over here only.
You'll pass out, and then you'll come as a ice gadda to your home. Not your home, but yeah. Guys, this kanta laga, guys. Kanta laga. I can still feel it, that kanta, but I'm managing it somehow. So yeah, let's get it. So guys, we are here. Next trip we are going to Punjab, guys. Someone is going to take us. Do. Huh? Cheese. Bad guys. Yeah, I know I'm bad. Guys, look at the fog all around. This looks so cute. Guys, it's breakfast time. I took egg dosa with chutney and sambar, and you? I took plain dosa.
I took sambar idli, but there is no sambar. There is this Bombay chutney.
And there is sambar.
Adega sambar idli and sambar idli best.
Bombay chutney.
And chutney is also good. Bombay chutney is good. Yeah. I did a movie of plain dosa.
Yeah, plain dosa. Harshita plain dosa. And guys, we are sitting on this and eating. So much fun. And look at backside.
మంచి సాంగ్ పెట్టినారు మా అందరికి సాంగ్ ఇష్టం మంచి సాంగ్ పెట్టినారు మా అందరికి సాంగ్ ఇష్టం
Actually, she don't even know the song name.
I did not recognize the start. After that, I recognized the
you do. La la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Ta ta, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Guys, we're going to see waterfalls. It's so freaking cold here.
Topi fellow. When you didn't try? Honestly, Ona बोल के they are saying so much. 100 करते.
That to banana.
हैदराबाद में cheap मिलता ना रे. Yes guys. See my face. Manasa, say hi to the vlog. Water bottle, cold drink, yeah, she's exactly looking like that. Guys, feeling last day of trip.
Last day of trip. Actually, this trip is so busy, guys. Koncham more time like rush. Everything happened in last moment. Bus, train. That train was literally super busy. The train is moving. We entered. We had to wait for 5 minutes, and then we get into the bus.